Okay. Okay, ito na. Game start na. Game start na po. Okay, final note. Final instruction for both teams before we start the game. Sige po mga boss. First five po natin. Magkano na po tayo? First five po natin. Calling first five. Maraming salamat po. Okay, habol din po ba dyan for sure. Si Babagay nandiyan na. Good day din po, Sir Martin. Okay, good din sir, Mr. Julius Babagay. Kamusta po kayo dyan? And also, third game po kayo. Huwag kalimutan ha. Third game pong Effort United against Mecanicos sa gabing ito. Second game po is Cash versus the Boleros. Okay, first quarter action is on the way right now. Okay, first quarter action sa QDF po. Starters po natin. Si So, si Gabi, si Badjola, kabanan po si Talan, si Velasco, si Jarka, si McCoy, at yung pinakuli po. Sino yung last pair po na papasok? That will be number 24 po para po sa team QR Towers. Okay, for the opening tip po. Okay, JP Baron's watching also. Salamat po, sir. Okay, tack in, Hika, Quintas, pakicheck lang po. Quintas, pati Sintas, pakicheck lang din po bago po tayo magsimula. Maraming salamat po. Okay, that's Galbao po. To complete now sa ating QR Towers. Okay, first quarter, start. Okay, nakuha ni Darkas for 3, malakas. Si Makoy, pops up, no good. Okay, Gabi, binaba ang bola kay Badjola, pinasa pong bola. Badjola, side step, so, power move, no good. Okay, Mr. Darkas called for the foul, first personal foul, first team foul po para po sa QR Tower. Okay, so first shot. Pasok. Okay, 1-0. Second throw. Pops up. Jumpers ready para sa team QDF. Pops up. No good. Rebound by Velasco. Nakalusot. That's Darkas. Nandun si Badjola. Binaba ang bola. Gabi. Badjola again. Badjola. And so, sizable palpal na Talan. Swipe away ni Talan. Nasa ni Talan natin na house. O, sabi ng QR Tower, sinasabi nila, hindi kayo pwede lumanding dito. Muli po, Gabi naman. Wala pa rin. Gabi, one more time. Gabi. 2 points, Gabi. Okay, 3-9. Velasco, binababa muli po ang bola. Velasco. Driving strong. Makoy for 3. Malakas. Ayan naman si Gabi. Nakuha ni number 24. Galbao for 3. Galbao. No good. Okay, natin si Talan. Malakas. Lumabas. Foul called. Okay, number 24 called for the foul. Number 24, first personal foul. Second team foul po ng QR Towers. For sure, Badjola, nakalusot. Badjola, lumusot lalo. Badjola, palpal muli. And nakuha na ng red shirt. Foul called. Gabi called for the foul. Matibay si number 24 ng QR Towers. Parang pader. Okay, Velasco. Talan, naulusot. Nawala ang bola kay Talan. QR Towers has yet to score. Nandun si Velasco. Velasco muli, Velasco. Again, Darkas. Darkas. No good. Rebound, Bacoy. Nilabas. Pops up. Malakas din. Binaba ang bola. Shout din po pala kay Sir Aricila. Swipe away. Okay, last touch po ng red shirt. Same ball. 7:04 remaining. First quarter action still. And so, pops up. Pusok. Pasok kay Mr. So. 5-0. 6:51 remaining. 6:49 remaining. 5-0. Velasco. Bacoy. Hoop shot. Traveling call by the referee. 6:37 remaining. Ralph Gatso is watching. Christian Antonio Mendoza is watching also. Dolantes. Adrian So. Double team. Swipe away by Maki. Stepping on the line. Out of space. 6:13 remaining. So, power move. Nawala ang bola. Eto na kay Velasco. Velasco! Wala. Sayang. Velasco. Velasco number 6 shooting for 2. Velasco number 6 first shot. Pops up. Pasok. Okay, first shot. First point now made now by QR Towers. Second shot. No good. Rebound battle won by Badjola. Badjola binaba ang bola. Badjola. Gabi. Dolantes. Badjola again. Badjola. Si So. Buong posisyon. Badjola 3 points. Badjola 3 puntos kay Badjola. And Velasco. And Darkas. No good. Gabi. Darkas nandun. Darkas! And one play. Basket made. Plus bonus free throw coming up. Darko. And change player na po tayo yun. Okay, second lineup. Sa kabila po, si Liu at si Mateo lang ang papasok po. At the same time, dito na po sa QDF, buo po sila. 8-3 po ang score po natin. Okay. Your Towers go for the timeout. Lotero, Duma, number. Nag-timeout boss, nag-timeout. Lotero, Echo, Arman, Kalo at si Duma sa QDF po. QDF. Jopel Montisillo. Okay, first game pa lang po ito, Sir Jopel. First game pa lang po ito. Second game po natin po, Mamya, is Cas versus Boleros. And final game po, Mamya po, is AU or Airport United versus, ano po natin yan? Yan po ang The Mechanicos. And Darko, 23 shooting for the bonus free throw. The score is 8-3. 5:06 remaining. First quarter action. Darko, number 23. Pops up. It's made. Basket made. Okay, kailangan po ng kalati po ang QDF. Sub na rin po si Darko. Darko nag-sub na rin po. Okay, Darko has to go out now. I think barangay rules kasi ginagamit dito. Pag kulang kasi ang player, may chance na makapagpapalitan, makapagpili po ang QDF. Barangay rules po yan. Pag kulang kasi. Okay. Lutero. Echo. Lutero again. Driving strong. Nandun si Calo. Calo. Offline. Nandun si Duma. Lutero. Lutero to Duma. Duma. Pops up. Malakas. And Talan. Ito naman si Mateo. Mateo. Binababa ang bola. Bots bars. Sep, ano pa lang Sep? First quarter pa lang po ito. Magtatapos pa lang. Makoy. Lou. No good. Ayan na. Pinasa kay Lutero ang bola. Lutero. Lutero. 2 points. Lutero. Nice pass from Mr. 20. Number 27 rather. Okay, balik muli po tayo. Eto na tayo. Eto na, Mateo. Talan. Talan. 2 points. Talan, 2 points. 10-6 yung score po natin. 3:55 remaining. First quarter action drawing to a close. And Calo. Mr. Calo. Lutero. Number 27. Lutero for 3. Yes, sirree. No good. Nakakuha ng red shirts. Binato kay Makoy. Makoy, malakas ang pasa. My friend, too much pressure. Papaano lang konti, my friend. Too much pressure, my friend. Okay. Balik muli po tayo kay Lutero. 10-6 point score po natin. Lamang pa rin po ang dilaw ng apa! Uy! Pinompiang. Napompiang.
Foul committed on jersey number 24. That's your second.
Number 24, second personal foul.
14 shot.
14 second shot clock. Again called for a foul.
Foul committed jersey number 12.
Talang called for a foul. Mr. Duma, number 15, shooting for 2. Duma first shot. Pops up. It's out. Duma second throw. Jumpers ready tayo. Duma second free throw. Jumpers ready.
4-point lead for QDM.
It's out. Tip in. Wala pareho.
Rebound.
Talan. Naka-rebound. Binababa. Binababa. Binababa na Talan ng bola. Nandun si Cabiola to Talan. Talan. Power move. Malakas. Mateo. Uy. Foul called. Number 27, Judith called for a foul. That's Calo. Calo. First person pa ni Calo. And Mateo, number 27, first shot. It's out. Second throw, Mateo. Jumpers ready po tayo. Mateo, jumpers ready. Mateo, second throw. Jumpers ready. Pops up. Wala pareho. Tap away. Nakuha ni Makoy. Pero stepping on the line. Out of time. Out na. Okay, balik tayo po ngayon. Ito na. Arnan for 3. Nope. Rebound by red shirts. Lou. To Talan. Talan, binababa ang bola to Lou. Mateo. Mateo. Pops up. Nope. It's Talan. Nope. It's number 27. Makoy. Makoy. Pops up. Looper shot. No good. Ayan. Si Lutero. 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 Oy! And one play. Eurostep. Bumanat ang Eurostep si Lutero. Lutero, bonus video coming up. Ang score po natin 12-6. Sir Isa, magandang bibig sa'yo, Sir Isa. Lutero, number 14, last shot. Bonus free throw. Pops up. Nope. Rebound, Lutero. Lutero, 4-point play made. 4-point play made. 14-6 score po natin. 8 po din ang kalamangan. Talan. Foul on Echo. Echo called for a foul.
Jersey number 27, that's your second personal foul.
Okay, second person po ni Echo po yan.
Both teams, 1 for penalty.
Both teams apiece. And Mateo, no good. Rebound, Talan, malalim. Makoy, hoop shot, pasok. Ang score po natin, Sir Isa, 14-10 rather. 14-8 rather. Laman po ang QDF ng 6. Yan, Sir Isa. And now to Echo. Pasok ang bola kay Echo. 3 points, Echo 3 points. Makoy. 17-8. Lampo na Siyam. And Mateo. Lopez Makoy. For 3. In line. Pasok. Binawi ni Makoy ang bola. Lamuli po ng 6 po ang team QDF. 52 seconds remaining. Calo against Mateo. Calo. Zero step. Malakas. Tap away kay Mateo. Mateo sa likod. Makoy. Malakas. Point blank. Lutero. Duma. Arlan. 2 points. Galvao. Binababa ang bola. 19-11. Laman po ng 8. Galvao. Lou. Talan. 7 seconds remaining. Lou. Nope. Makoy. Out of bounds. Wala na oras. Standby po tayo po sa second quarter. Okay. Hanap boy muna po tayo. You're watching right now QDF versus QR Towers. Natapos na po ang first quarter action. And of course, mami po ang Cas at Boleros. Diyan po, singgay po natin po dyan. And Aviation Friendly Doubles of Flying League would like to thank the following sponsors. Team LBC, Hanap Padala and Thread the Needle. Saka po natin po dyan ang SPB ARA at PSBQ Basketball League. Okay. So, QDF, Opensa QDF. Okay, sa second lineup po si si Gabi, si Tan, si number 22 at si number 8. Sa kabila naman, of course, nandiyan si Talan, si Jarko, si number 2 si Liu, si Makoy at si number 24. Frias, Tan, naipit, Liu, 2 points, Liu 2 points. 19-11 laman po ng 8. 9:47 remaining. Frias. Tan. Bothered. Running shot. Pasok ang bola kay So. Yung parang yan ang battering ram ng QDF. Si So. Binabasag ang depensa, pinupulbos ang depensa. Darko for 3. Yes, sir. 3 points by Darko. 3 points. Okay, lamang nila muli po ng 5. 5-point advantage still by QDF. Frias. Good ball. Walang tawag. 2 points, Stan. Walang tawag. O, tayo lang. Muna yata. Kaya? O, pagpag lang yan. Pagpag lang yan. O, game. Tara. Liu. Binababa ang bola. 23-16 na score. Laban ng 7. Velasco. Number 6. Velasco for 3. Nope. Rebound. Dolentas. Nako, mali ang pinasaan. Gabi. Nando si Darko. Makoy. Makoy. Lou. Darko, humingi ng bola. Okay, Talan. Binigay Talan mo ng bola. Talan. Velasco. Galbao. No good. Malakas ang pasa. Malakas ang tira ni Galbao. 18-19 na score po natin. Sorry, 23-16 rather. Laman po ng 7 ang QDF over QR Towers. Maraming salamat po sa nanonood po right now sa gabing ito. And thank you pala po sa nanonood po kanina po sa aking video po kanina. No good, nope. Step on the line. Kaya maraming salamat po kanina po sa manonood po sa akin kanina po sa aking video on demand. CAS or Qatar Airways versus Fusion. Out of bounds. Qatar Airways versus Fusion po kanina sa QBFL po. League po yan. Intercompany. Next season po kasi nila yan. Okay, number 8. Binababa ang bola. Prias. Number 5. So, driving strong. So, and one play by So. Saan ang galing yun? Okay, So, 2 points kagad. Parang no luluksin. Galawang no luluksin si So. Number 20. So, pops up. Pasok. Okay, So, another point by So, 26-16. Again, a 7-point advantage. A 10-point advantage again ng Qatar, ng QDF. Darko for 3. 3 points by Darko. Nice shot by Darko. May kasamang dila pa. Parang Jordan. And si Prias, number 8. Prias. Pasakitan. Tan. Pops up. No good. Rebound by number 24. Makoy. Liu. No good. Nice. Nice rebound by So. Tan. Humingi ng bola. Ayaw. Gabi. Pops up. No good. Rebound by Darko. Binababa na Darko. Pops up. Paxang. Again, puts it away for 3 points. 3 points. Darko, back-to-back 3 points. Yung pinukul niya. Pinawalan niya 26-22. 4 na lang kalamangan ng QDF over QR Towers sa 6:01 remaining. At nandun si Makoy. The finisher. 2 points. And timeout called by QDF. The score right now is 26-24 at 5:54 remaining. QDF po, lamang na po ng 2. Okay, back to the ball game. 26-24, lalamang na po ng 2 ang QDF over QR Towers. Nagbabadya na po ang QR Towers. But still, kulang pa rin po sila compared to QDF. QDF, medyo malalim pang bench po nila. Let's see now if the fatigue factor will set in for QR Towers. Dahil medyo shallow po kasi bench po nila. Or they can prevail. Tan. So, pops up. 2 points So. Si Adrian So, consistent from the field also. Napapasin natin. Ilang attempts po, nako-convert niya. And si Galbao. Nope, it's Makoy. Ayaw. Makoy, driving strong. Makoy, running shot. No good. Ayan na naman. Si So. Adrian So, binababola. Gabi. Prias, tinawid na. Nang sundo, tumabot. Dolantes. No good. Rebound again. Liu. Velasco. Velasco. Liu, pinasa muna sa labas. Pops up. No good. Again, one more time. Darko. Kay Darko naman. Darko for 3. No good. And Talan. Ay, sorry, Velasco. To Makoy. Makoy for 3. Malakas. Okay, change player na naman. Change player. Okay, papasok po ngayon si Velasco tsaka si Mateo. Lalabos muna si Lu tsaka si Galando. Si Z, sa kabila po si Z, Lotero, si Duma, si number 9 at si number 28. Lotero, inbounding. Okay, as per house rules po talaga, pag kulang po yung player, may kakayang makapili po yung kalaban ng maraming player po para piliin yung, alam natin, yung pagod o yung medyo talagang hindi ka off-frame po. Calo for 3. Wala. Rebound battle, won by Mateo. And now to Mr. Velasco. Makoy, siya na lang. Finisher. 2 points. And 1 play pa binigay. Okay, may nagpapa-shoutout po. Shoutout. Sino po? Shoutout kay Ma'am Sara Spribskova. Dark on Fire. Ayan. Maverick Valdez watching. Jog Gamit is watching. Okay, Dark on Fire. Sabi ni Madam Sara. Sara Spribskova. Pops up. Pasok ang bola. Okay, isa na lang po kalaman muli po ng QDF. Liu. No, it's G. Z. Lotero. Duma, humingi ng bola. Z. Duma, power move. Nope, it's Arnan. Arnan for 3. Nope. Rebound by Mateo. To Velasco again. Velasco. 2-4-23 remaining. And Velasco. Talan. Talan. Malakas. One more time. Talan. Wala. Walang foul. Z. Lotero. Calo. 2 points. Calo 2 points. And Talan. Velasco binababa ang bola from Mateo. Foul code. Foul code. Kumapit. Number 6, Velasco. Okay, 24th for the inbound. That's Galvao. Pops up. Wala. Ito na naman. Duma, binababa ang bola. Duma. Duma. Traveling cold on Duma. Okay, tamat po na po ang QR Towers. Okay, may comment po tayo dito. Basahin po natin. Sabi nito. Basahin natin. Magsasalibin muna ako. Sabi nito, shoutout po kay Kuya Butch. Benji Butch, number 1. Okay. Benji Butch from Lawrence, Floresca. Okay. Shoutout po kay Benji Butch. Okay, 3:30 remaining. 30-27 score po natin. Lamang pa rin po ang QDF over QR Towers. Okay, balik ulit tayo sa laro po natin. Balik muli po tayo. Mateo inbounding. Mateo. Mateo to Makoy. Makoy for 3. Offline. And same ball. One more time. Galvao. Makoy. Wala pa rin. Good ball. Out of bounds. Hindi na control. Sayang. 2:58 remaining. Z.
Pass to Lutero.
Lutero.
40 shot clock.
Pops up. Calo. 3 points. Calo, 3 points. Laman na muli po ng 6 ang QDF. Salamat kay Calo. Araban! Naram na nakaw. Z. Z. Lutero. Tapos. Lutero, isa pa. Paulo Mateo.
Foul committed on jersey number 27.
27, called for a foul.
First personal foul. Second team foul on Keyword Tower.
And Lutero, number 14, shooting for 2. Lutero pops up, pasok. Second shot by Lutero. Pops up, no good. Up. Foul again. Right. Foul on Velasco, tinulak niyang player.
That's his second personal number.
Second personal foul. Ay, sorry. 13 foul na po yan po. Okay, 42nd shot clock again. And Lutero. Lutero! Lutero, 2 points.
2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes, second quarter.
Back to 9-point lead.
And na naman,
McCoy.
Makoy for 3.
Rebound.
Galbo. Turn around. 2 points, Galbo. Wow, fade away. Third down, parang Jordan fade away, ah. 1:35 remaining. And to Calo. Calo, binababa ang bola. Z. Out of bounds. Binato kay Makoy naman. Makoy. Malakas ang pasa. Sayong run yan, Makoy. Z, number 15.
1 minute approaching.
Number 14, QDF. That's Lutero. That's Lutero. ZZ na naman, Z. Duma, pops up. Malakas. Matulis.
50 seconds. Velasco down. Off the attack.
Velasco. Malakas. Tagdog.
40 seconds.
Calo. 3-on-2 situation. Ardan. Pasok ang bola kay Ardan. 3 points.
30 seconds.
QDF po slowly pulling away again. Lamang muli po na 10 ang QDF over QR Towers. No good. Rebound. And 1 play by Talan. Talan and 1 play made.
Basket is good. Ball win jersey.
And number 12 Talan shooting for the bonus free throw.
Malaki. Duma. That's the second foul.
Duma second pala ni Duma yan. Talan number 12 shooting for the bonus free throw.
17 seconds.
Talan pops up. Wala. Rebound by the red shirts. Chance again to team Bate. Nice one by Mateo. 10 seconds. Ayan na. Lutero. Lutero. 39-33. Lutero. Our number 3 again. Ayun. Calo. 2 points. Okay, halftime po tayo. Magbabalik po kami for another 5 minutes. Ito po ang ABS sa Friendly Gabas sa Flying League. Halftime po tayo. Sige po. 5 minutes break. pa yan.
11:30 no? Sir, that's 8 players na automatic. Last two free throws. Last two.
Okay, game po tayo yun.
Automatic, no? Last two.
Okay, so plus 2. Yan kasi ano, kulang kasi po ang QR Towers po kasi kaya yan po nangyari po ngayon sa ano. Second shot, okay. Okay, now Liu now for the inbound, number 2, Liu. Liu. And tutala to Mr. Velasco. And to Makoy pops up. Nope. Rebound by Makoy. Pero off the. Hindi po siya umubra po doon.
First personal foul, jersey number 7. Eto, pass to Guardiola. 14, Champa. Turnover.
And to Darko again. Darko, 2 points.
Using the board.
Nice one by Darko. Darko's on fire. And 9:09 remaining. Binababa ang bola. Darko again, 2 points. Back-to-back field goals. Ano naman to? Bajola. Tolentas. Nawala ang bola. Darko naman. Darko nagmamadali. Darko, it's Makoy. 2 points again. Back-to-back field goals. Again, mula sa ano, bumaba muli po tayo sa 5. Pati para makatipid. Okay, 8:37 remaining third quarter action. Lima na pumili po kalamangan ng QDF over QR Towers. Lotero from Dolantes. Madmax. So, Pajola. Wala pinasahan. Lotero. Ayun! Nice second shot. Extra pass by Lotero. Again, Makoy. Dolante, sagot si Makoy. Liu. Nakalusot si Liu. 2 points Liu. Liu 2 points. 46-41. Lamang na lumili po ng 5 ang team QDF. Echo. So, triple teamed. Lotero. Echo again. 27. Running shot. No good. Rebound by directions again to Darko. Darko, nag-aantay muna mag-isa. Darko for 3. Nope. Makoy naipit. Liu for 3. Malakas, kaldog. So, Echo. Palpal. Velasco, second personal foul, committed. Echo shooting for 2. Ako shooting kasi. Okay, Velasco, Echo per shot. It's out. Second shot by Echo, jumper ready. Echo, second throw, jumper ready po tayo. Pops up. Wala. Rebound, Echo. Echo lost the ball. 7:20 remaining.
5.3 for Junior.
Talan! Talan! Malakas! Uy! Injury timeout. Talan. Natapakan. Ano? Pagpag. Sab. Okay, tatapakan yung isang paa yata ng QD at Kitalan. Check natin sana maging mag-improve condition na after some time. Baka na ipagpag lang yan. Boy Inges watching. 6:46 remaining. And Lutero slicing its way. Wala. Darko. Liu. Muntik na. Galbao. And Tumakoy for 3. Kapos. And rebounder. Ang pula. Still, ito naman po tayo. Echo to Badjola. Nandun si Darko. Darko for 3. Nope. One more time. Darko. No, driving strong. Darko, 2 points. Darko, 2 points. Basic. Nothing beat the basic. 5:55 remaining. 46-43. Lutero pops up. Pasok ang bola kay Lutero. Lutero 3 points. Darko. And McCoy. Velasco. Foul called. Ouch. Jersey number 14 called for the foul. Substitution po ni Lutero. Okay, labas muna. Sabdo, di ba? Echo. Velasco for 3. Kapos. Kalo, binaba ang bola. Kalo. 5:19 remaining. Kalo. Badjola. Swiped away. Nice save sana. Nice try by Liu. 5:12 remaining. Si Tan pinasok muna para kay Mad Max, kay Dolantes. Okay. Eto na si number 14, Lutero again. Lutero for 3. Nope. Dago. Gaban. Liu. Touch pass. Hindi handa si McCoy. Okay. O, yan na. Okay. Okay, you know the drill. Sinasabi niya. Ano man nagagawin mo? Yun ibig sabihin nun. Lutero again. Nakalusot. Lutero. Pops up. Malakas. So na naman. So, power move. No good. Nice try by So. Pinapout kanina. Baka marobas ka yung mga babagay.
Sir, pwede ba mag-shoutout?
Sige.
Napagaan.
Tayo. Ano? Kanto, baka ma-durex pair ka yung babagay nito, ha? Saka marobas ka din, ha? No good! And still, eto na muli po tayo. Velasco to Darko. Binababa ang bola. Darko. It's Galbao, Tumakoy. McCoy! Malalim. Isa pa. And nandun si Velasco to Darko again. Darko, nakalusot. Darko! 2 points, Darko. The dark sky is coming. Darko's on fire. 3:57 remaining.
14 shot clock.
Joanna Selgado Comaris watching. Tan. So, no good. Rebound by So. So again, So. Bajola. Bajola. So, 3-second violation. 3-second violation. Okay, sab muna po tayo. Nice quality minutes kay So. Duma, pinasok muna. The big man. Darko. Darko na naman. Darko. Darko. Lumam. Gabiola. Gabiola. No good. Liu. Liu. Tan. Liu. Landon. 3-second violation again. And a timeout called by Cure Towers. Cure Towers called for the timeout. Okay, habang naka-break po tayo, this is your Aviation Friend League, Davos of Flying League. We'd like to get the following sponsors, Thread the Needles and Team LBC, halang padala. Saan po natin po dyan ang SPBARA, yan po ang enforcer po ng ligang ito. And of course, PSB Go Basketball League. And of course, first game po is still ongoing, QTF versus Cure Towers. Afterwards po is Cass versus the Boleros.
4-point lead for QTF.
Okay, 49-45, apat na lang kalamangan ng Dilaw, Makoy, Liu, Velasco, driving strong, tukot, foul. Sabi ni Ahmed Abdeladi, go Cure Towers. Okay, Velasco number 6 shooting for 2. Velasco number 6, first shot. It's out. 2:57 remaining. Second throw, jumpers ready. Velasco, second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Wala pareho. Duma. Z. Binababa ang bola ni Z. Pops up. No good. Rebound by Lou. Ayan si Velasco. Mag-isa. Velasco, 2 points. Velasco, 2 points.
Approaching to midcourt.
Bajola.
Calo. Guarded by Velasco.
Calo. Bajola, thinking 3, ayaw. Liu. Pops up. No good. Duma. Kapos. Darko. Liu. Makoy, 2 points. Okay, first deadlock after 3 quarters. And nagtama po ang team QDF. Yung kanilang typical bread and butter play. Si Makoy po para runner finisher. Si Makoy po para runner finisher. At the same time, 1:58 remaining na po siya. 49 all po tayo. Third quarter action. Patapos na po. Nasaan po yung maglalaro pa sa second game between Boleros and Cass po? Where are you na? Tara, laban na. Okay. Ito po tayo. Ngayon na, Bajola, pinapang bola. Bajola. Bajola, pinapang bola. Bajola. Tan! Traveling. Traveling Tan. Traveling on Mr. Tan. And may sarado. Nandiyan na, Makoy. Makoy, second pick. It's Talan. 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 Foul! Duma called for the foul. Pang-apat na ni Duma. Labas muna si Duma. And of course, Talan. Duma will stay. Talan shooting for 2. Talan shooting for 2 po tayo. Talan per shot. It's out. Second throw jumpers, ready po tayo. Second free throw jumpers, ready. Wala pareho. Muntik na. Muntik na.
Banyola. Kalo. 40.
Kalo. Bajola. Muntik na. Gabby. Intercepted by Darko. Darko. 2 points. Okay. Change favor. 49-51. Lamang na po ang QR Towers. Gabby. Kalo.
40.
Si Papsa, Pajola, tapos. Pajola Tripas, balik muli sa kalamangan muli pang Q-depth ang isa, 52-51. Velasco, G-shot pass. Hop, foul sa baba, holding foul. Echo called for a foul.
That's your third personal foul, Echo. Warning for penalty, UDF. 23 seconds remaining. 14 shot clock. Mahoy. Rebound.
Foul!
Foul committed, jersey number 2, Lou. That's your second personal foul. Both teams warning for penalty.
Okay, Liu called for the foul.
17 seconds remaining.
Okay, G for the inbound. Binababa pong bola, kay Diego Gon, wala shot. Lotero to Z. Z.
10 seconds.
Echo. Pops up, mahirap. Talan, Makoy, shoot at ball, sabi niya. May foul pa.
There was a foul. Foul committed by jersey number 15. Staying as a second personal foul. 3 people for Mahoy.
Makoy, 3 shots given. First shot. It's in. Tabla tayo. Second throw, Makoy.
Second drive.
Wala. Last throw, Makoy.
Last row, retaining the lead. Pag pumasok,
Tabla lang.
net clock.
Okay.
Back to the ball game. Ball to be awarded to QDM. Fourth and
May
last
bola pa ng
quarter.
Q-dep po tayo. Bola pa ng Q-dep. Final 10 minutes. Parang back to 0 po tayo ngayon. 52 all po tayo. Back to the ball game. Darko hindi natin papay si Darko. Mainit kasi masyado. Okay, final 10 minutes on the way right now.
Yellow ball.
Okay, yellow ball po magpapasok. Si Lotero, si number 15, si number 27, si 28, at si number 17, si Echo, binababa ang bola, Echo, Z again, pops up, Kalo, pasok, Lou, Makoy, almost had it, again, Lotero.
Kalo,
Pops up, pasok. Back-to-back field goals again by the yellow shirt. Short Towers. Up. Good goal, walang tawag. Echo, back-to-back. 6-0 run.
Gallo.
Blue, yung ganda.
Pass.
Darko for 3, ang layo. Bang! Wow, layo nun. Long bomb. Long bomb.
Echo. 14 shot clock. Dave.
Let's go, Pure Tar, sabi ni Abad Abdali. Gabi, traveling cold ang Gabi.
Substitution.
Okay. Okay, lamang po na po 58-55. Lamang po ng tatlo ang QDF over Pure Towers.
Traffic defense applied by UDF. Carver out of the center.
Tama po tayo, Darko.
Back to Darko.
Darko again. Velasco. Kapos. Rebound by yellow shirts.
Good ball by Darko.
I think the fatigue is now setting in now for Pure Towers. Galo, fadeaway shot. No good. Rebound by Liu. Malakas ang pasa na naman. Hindi. Wide. Velasco. Iniliwa. Bakoy. No good. Echo 2 points. Darko pops up. No good. Kaldog. 7:28 remaining. Lutero, naipit. Calo. 2 points, Calo. Set shot. And time out goal. Nag-time out upon Pure Towers. Back to the ball game. Okay. Okay, that's Darko. Velasco. 2 points. Velasco 2 points. Ay, lima na naman. 7 minutes remaining. Darko again. Ginagawa ang bola. Darko. And talan. 2 points talan. Eto na naman, humabog naman sila. Frias. Lutero. Tapos. Again. Darko. 2 points Darko. Sila naman yun. Sunod-sunod. So, Lutero, binaba ang bola. Almost lost the ball. Stepping on the line.
6 minutes remaining. Substitution. Okay, kakabalik. Velasco na. Pass. So, Darko. Here
No
comes.
good. Malakas.
By the Chilean team.
Frias. Malakas.
Patay na.
Darko again. Darko. Pow! Baitan. Duty foul na yun. Sorry duty foul na yun. Hindi na focus.
Pass ball. 14 shot clock. First team foul.
5:25 remaining.
14 shot clock.
Okay, Velasco muna po tayo. Velasco.
Pass to Makoy.
Pops up! Pasok! Lamang ng 2 minute po ang QR Towers over QDF. 5:06 remaining.
This is basketball.
Adrian So.
Echo.
Echo. Binabama bola. Echo. Nawalang bola naman. Ayun naman. It's a foot race. Marcos! Wow! Take 2.
Good foul, good foul.
Okay.
Substitution. And that's the second personal foul.
Okay, balik ulit po tayo. Okay, Barjola, Lotero, Encalo. Sama natin po natin si Z. Makoy, first shot.
First shot. Miss.
Wala. Ayaw.
2-point lead. Rookie or
Wala.
with 4 minutes.
Second throw, Barjola. Jumper ready.
Final period.
It's out. Lotero again. Lotero, binaba ang bola. Lotero. Lotero. Halo. So. Scaling the defense. Kalo. Wala. Darko, double team. Nandun. 2 points. Nice one. Sa likod. Ninakaw sa likod. Darko.
Makoy.
Makoy for 3. Nope. Nandun naman si Z. Kalo. Lotero.
14 shot clock.
Bajola. No good. Rebound. Talan.
Pass to Mateo.
Foul.
There's number 10. Substitution. Jersey number 10. Majola. That's your third personal foul. Third team foul. UDM.
Darko, number 23 for the inbound. Okay, Darko inbounding for Pure Towers. Tabla pa rin po, 64 all at 3:47 remaining. Darko, side step move. Darko again! 2 points and 1 play pa. What a play by Darko.
Foul committed. Jersey number 28. Kalo. That's your first personal foul. Warning for penalty. UDM.
Darko, second shot, jumpers ready. 64-66. Pops up, it's in. Okay, 3 points in advantage again now. This time around. Pure Towers, Kalo. Kalo, binababa ang bola. Kalo. Eto So, against Velasco. Lotero. So, posisyon.
Down to 10.
Lotero. Nope. Rebound, Kalo. And 1. Pasok. Walang foul. 1 point dito naman. 3:21 remaining. Ayun lang. Makoy, 2 points.
Back to 3-point lead.
Ang bilis ng Makoy sa kabila. Montenegro, Sir Al is watching also. Si Mr. Montenegro. Kalo, 2 points. 2 points Kalo again. Up. Warning. Okay, game. Walang ano. Walang tawag. Again. Blue. Darko. Binabantayin si Liu.
14 shot clock.
Makoy for 3. Nope. Rebound by Z. So. Ethan So. Foul! 68-69. Adrian So, chance to get back in the lead.
Paul committed jersey number 6. That's the third personal foul. First team foul for Team R Towers.
So, 26 per shot. It's in. Tabla.
Basket to India.
So, 26, second row. Jumpers ready po tayo. 2:24 remaining. Pops up. Both. Naku, hindi. One more time. Kalo. 2 points. Lamang na naman. And a timeout called by Pure Towers.
Squad na. Back to the ball game. 2:20 for QDM.
Okay, balik tayo. 2 minutes 22 remaining. Lamang na naman ulit po ang QDF ng dalawa. 71-69. LU. 2:21 remaining.
Pass to Pilasto.
Timer!
14 shot na. Bakoy. Bumabas. Iwanan.
Again, Makoy.
Darko now. Defended by Lotero. Darko. There's a ball.
Darko on the line.
Ball committed jersey number 27. Penalty.
Darko, 23.
Echo, that's your fourth personal foul.
Darko, 20 per
Darko
shot.
to the line.
Out. Darko, second row. Jumpers ready.
20.
It's in. Okay.
1 point.
1 point lead for QDF. Against Makoy. Makoy. So, Adrian So. Difficult shot. Again.
Here comes Darko.
Darko again. Darko.
3 against 3. Pass to Liu.
Pops up. Liu. No. Wow.
Foul committed, jersey number 14, Lotero. That's your third personal foul. Beyond the penalty.
Okay, Liu again. Chance to get the tie the ball game. Impossible lead.
Liu trying to tie the ball game.
Okay, Aris Sila. May message po.
Nothing.
Aris Sila, Julius Babagay, Idol, good luck sa inyo, mamya. Okay, sige. Patensya ng dalawa. And kay, ano lang po, shoutout po na kay Sir Aris Sila naman.
William now.
Okay, Kuya Paul. Na walang bola.
Makoy now. Makoy. Pass to Liu. Liu may open. Nothing. Rebound. Darko. There's a ball.
Foul!
There's a ball committed. Jersey number 14.
Jersey number 14, Lotero called for a foul. Darko shooting for 2. Lotero pang-apat na yan.
Again, Darko.
And Darko on the line, shooting for 2.
Tying the ball game.
Okay, basket play, basket tied. 7-1 all.
And here take the lead.
Okay, lamang muli pang Pure Towers. Pure Towers. Lamang muli po na isa, 1:10 remaining.
14 shot clock. Lotero.
Lutero. Daming strong. Lutero. Naipit.
10 shot clock.
Badjola may Badjola. Badjola. Double dribble.
57 seconds.
Oh, si mistake.
Alright, back to the ball game. 57 seconds. Back to another 3.
Makoy sa ilalim. Palpal. Labas.
Jersey number 26, India. Grabe, first ball pa ng India. Nakalagay mo yan. 46 seconds.
Makoy. It's out.
Second drive.
Center Makoy. Jumper ready. Pops up. 18. Lamang ng dalawa.
46 seconds.
46 seconds. Fourth quarter action. Lutero.
Day.
Z.
Pass to Badjola.
So, power move. Foul.
42 minutes. Jersey number 2 is the third personal foul. Second team foul.
Naku.
You are now. Second team
Okay,
foul.
may episode. They have a chance to stop the ball game.
35 seconds. India.
Ayun lang. Tapos.
New with another.
Foul. Pinaw na lang. To stop the clock.
Jersey number 14. Game is 1-5. Jersey number 14. That's your fifth personal foul.
Okay. Lotero, number 14. Fouled out. Graduate. And Makoy. Pops up. It's in. Lamang ng 4. Lamang ng 3. Chance to insurance basket. Nope. Rebound. Makoy. Makoy. Badjola. So. Foul.
Foul minute. Jersey number 6. That's your fourth personal foul. Third team foul. QR Towers.
Okay, pangatlo pa lang po yung ng QR Towers.
Timeout. UDF.
UDF called for a timeout. 14 seconds remaining. 71-74. Lamang po ng 3 ang QR Towers or the red shirts. Lamang po ng 3. Second game po tayo is now being played. We play between, of course, Boleros versus CAS.
Back to the ball game. Third team foul. 14 seconds.
40 seconds remaining. Ito na. So, Badjola. Kalo. 10 seconds. Nawala. Makoy. Pasok. And that's it. Okay, final score 71-76. Pero bago po lahat po, winner by 5.7-76. Yan po ang QR Towers. Maraming salamat po. This is your ABS Friendly Doubles Flying League. Coming next po is, of course, nandiyan po ang Boleros versus CAS. Thank you very much and God bless po sa inyo.